Faceless Content with AI 2026. Complete Beginner Guide. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to create content, build an audience, and make money online without showing your face? What if you could use artificial intelligence to create videos, generate content ideas, write scripts, produce voiceovers, and grow social media accounts without ever stepping in front of a camera? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about in today's video. Because faceless content with AI is one of the fastest growing opportunities online right now. More people than ever are building YouTube channels, TikTok accounts, Instagram pages, Facebook pages, and affiliate marketing businesses without revealing their identity. And thanks to AI, creating that content is becoming easier than ever before. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how faceless content with AI works, why it's exploding in popularity, the tools people are using, the mistakes to avoid, and how beginners are turning simple content into traffic, leads, and income opportunities. Before we get started, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I post new videos every week about AI, affiliate marketing, faceless content, and making money online. And if you'd like access to my #1 recommended resource, check the first pinned comment below. Inside, you'll find Daily Income Method, which includes training, tools, and access to over 100,000 viral video clips you can use for content creation. Some affiliate opportunities can pay commissions of up to $200 per sale. And if you'd like to create faceless videos faster, I also have a syllabi discount linked in the pinned comment below. Now let's jump in. First, let's answer the big question. What exactly is faceless content? Faceless content is content where the creator never appears on camera. Instead of recording yourself, you use other forms of media to communicate your message. This could include stock footage, screen recordings, slideshows, AI-generated visuals, animations, educational graphics, voiceovers, product demonstrations, text-based videos, and many other formats. The goal is simple: deliver value without showing your face. And that's one reason so many people love this model. It removes one of the biggest barriers beginners face: fear. Many people don't want to appear on camera. They're uncomfortable. They're shy. They're worried about what others think. Faceless content solves that problem. Now let's talk about why faceless content with AI is growing so quickly. The answer is productivity. Before AI, creating content required a lot of work. Researching topics, writing scripts, creating graphics, editing videos, generating ideas, creating thumbnails, writing captions, and much more. Today, AI can help with nearly every step. Need video ideas? AI can help. Need scripts? AI can help. Need hooks? AI can help. Need titles? AI can help. Need descriptions? AI can help. Need voiceovers? AI can help. Need visuals? AI can help. Need content calendars? AI can help. This dramatically reduces the amount of time required to create content. And that's why so many creators are embracing AI. Now let's talk about where faceless content works best. The obvious platform is YouTube. YouTube remains one of the most powerful platforms online because videos can continue generating traffic for years. A video uploaded today might still receive views next year, or 5 years from now. Every video becomes a digital asset. But YouTube isn't the only opportunity. You can also use faceless content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, Pinterest, blogs, email marketing, and even websites. The ability to repurpose content across multiple platforms creates tremendous leverage. One piece of content can become multiple pieces of content. That's a huge advantage. Now let's discuss the content creation process. Most beginners think they need expensive software and advanced skills. You don't. The process is surprisingly simple. Step 1 is choosing a niche. This is extremely important. Many people try to create content about everything. That's a mistake. Focus on one category. Examples include AI tools, affiliate marketing, personal finance, technology, health, motivation, business, productivity, education. The more focused your niche, the easier it becomes to attract the right audience. Step 2 is generating ideas. This is where AI becomes powerful. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, AI can generate dozens of content ideas in minutes. You can ask AI for video topics, trending questions, common problems, beginner mistakes, frequently asked questions, and content series ideas. This helps eliminate creators' block. Now let's discuss scripting. This is where many people struggle. They know what topic they want to cover, but they don't know what to say. AI can generate outlines, talking points, hooks, introductions, calls to action, and complete drafts. Again, don't simply copy everything. Use AI as a starting point. Add your own examples. Add your own personality. Add your own perspective. Now let's talk about visuals. Many creators think visuals are the hardest part. Not anymore. You can use stock footage, screen recordings, slideshows, charts, graphs, AI-generated images, educational graphics, and presentations. The goal isn't Hollywood-level production. The goal is clear communication. Now let's discuss voiceovers. Some creators use their own voice. Others use AI voice tools. Both approaches can work. What's important is clarity. The viewer should understand the message. Now let's talk about syllabi. One reason many beginners struggle is because they don't have a system. They don't know what to create. They don't know how to organize content. They don't know how to create videos efficiently. That's one reason I like syllabi. It helps simplify content creation workflows and makes it easier to create faceless videos consistently. If you'd like to check it out, I have a discount linked in the pinned comment below. Now let's talk about monetization, because eventually everyone asks the same question. How do faceless content creators make money? There are several methods. The first is affiliate marketing. This is my personal favorite. You recommend products and services. People click your links. Some people buy. You earn commissions. Simple. The second method is YouTube ad revenue. Once your channel qualifies, you can earn from ads. The third method is sponsorships. Brands pay creators to feature products. The fourth method is digital products. Courses, templates, guides, resources, communities, and educational products. The fifth method is lead generation, helping businesses find customers. Now let's revisit affiliate marketing because it's one of the easiest monetization methods for beginners. You don't need to create products. You don't need inventory. You don't need customer support. You simply recommend products that solve problems. And some affiliate opportunities can pay commissions of up to $200 per sale. That's one reason I recommend checking out Daily Income Method in the pinned comment below. You'll also receive access to over 100,000 viral clips that can help accelerate content creation. Now let's discuss consistency. This is where most people fail. Not because the opportunity doesn't work, not because AI doesn't work, not because faceless content doesn't work. They fail because they stop. They upload a few videos, nothing happens. They upload a few more, still nothing happens. Then they quit. The reality is that content compounds. Every video becomes an asset. Every post becomes an opportunity. Every upload increases your chances of success. That's why consistency matters. Now let's discuss mistakes. Mistake number 1, trying to be perfect. Done is better than perfect. Mistake number 2, choosing too many niches. Focus. Mistake number 3, ignoring thumbnails and titles. People must click before they can watch. Mistake number 4, being inconsistent. Mistake number 5, relying entirely on AI. Remember, AI helps, but value still matters. Now let's talk about scaling. One of the biggest advantages of faceless content is scalability. You can create multiple channels, multiple pages, multiple content streams, and repurpose content across platforms. One video can become a YouTube video, a YouTube short, a TikTok, an Instagram reel, a Facebook reel, a blog article, an email, and social media content. That's leverage, and leverage creates opportunity. Now let's quickly recap. Faceless content with AI allows you to create content without showing your face. AI helps generate ideas. AI helps create scripts. AI helps organize content. AI helps speed up production. And content becomes a digital asset that can generate traffic over time. Whether your goal is affiliate marketing, ad revenue, lead generation, sponsorships, or building a personal brand, faceless content offers a powerful opportunity. If you'd like access to my #1 recommended resource, Daily Income Method, plus over 100,000 viral clips you can use for content creation, check the first pinned comment below. And don't forget to check out the syllabi discount if you'd like help creating faceless videos faster. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Are you planning to start a faceless content channel in 2026? I'd love to hear your answer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.